Competitive running at high intensities requires a significant amount of energy production and use from both our aerobic and anaerobic systems. The aerobic system requires oxygen uptake to do so, whereas the anaerobic system breaks down glucose to do so. The anaerobic system kicks in when the oxygen demand surpasses the oxygen supply the body needs so that the high-intensity workout can continue. Beta-alanine, which is an amino acid our body naturally produces, aids in the production of another molecule known as carnosine. Carnosine plays a role in muscle endurance during these high-intensity activities. So what's the connection here? Recent studies have found that beta-alanine supplementation can lead to improved short-term but high-intensity activities. Although our bodies naturally produce this amino acid, the emphasis is on additional supplementation which can improve the body's capabilities. In the study I'll be talking about today, the purpose was to see the effect that beta-alanine supplementation has on an 800-meter running performance. 18 male recreational club members took part in this experiment. Half of them were given the beta-alanine supplementation of 80 milligrams a day for 28 days, and the other half would put into the placebo group. This is done so that the effects of the main group can be compared to that of a group not getting additional supplementation, while also keeping the participants' own bias out of the experiment by not telling them which group they are in. Both groups did a pre-supplementation run to have data to compare to the post-supplementation run once the 28 days were complete. Prior to this experiment, majority of exercise performance studies assessing supplementation were laboratory-based, which brings me to the question of, did the hypothesis for this experiment become factual? The simple answer is yes, but let's dive deeper into the findings. Post-supplementation race times were faster in the beta-alanine group with a mean of 142 seconds, whereas the placebo group had a mean of 156 seconds, which is a 14-second difference. Even at the split time, which is at the 400-meter mark, the post-supplementation beta-alanine group was seen moving faster than the placebo group. A few seconds in competitive running make all the difference in first and last place, so a 14-second difference here is a tremendous lead. This experiment was able to showcase all the laboratory research done with beta-alanine in a practical setting. So how does this information propel us in the world of sport? This becomes a great example of how science-based practice is equally as important to understand as physical practice. Our bodies are capable of producing much better results if both are considered within ethical boundaries. Thank you.